Alaan mo!
Blind Item News, kapamilya actor revealed that he loves how B support him. Whenever he would feel sad or down, he revealed that B's tender loving care is one of the many things he admires about his girlfriend. The sweetest thing B ever did to me were the times when she would take care of me kapag namomroblema ako, kapag nahihirapan ako, nagkakasakit ako, actor said. Those times where I felt helpless, she's always there to take care of me, and that means a lot. Another thing that D loved about B was when she unconsciously make face that made him feel kilig. One thing B does unconsciously na gustong-gusto ko is whenever she would make this cute face, mayroon siyang face na very cute na natatawa ko every time I see it. It brightens up my day right away.